Have you ever wanted to edit a PDF, ask a question, or translate some content? PDF Reader Pro is your best assistant. Visit the official website to easily download the latest version. Upload your PDF document. Click on Edit. Now you can start editing the text in your PDF. Change the font size. Change the text color. And even modify the original font. Of course, you can also edit the images inside, rotate the images, crop them, or even replace them with new ones. Additionally, you can add watermarks. Backgrounds. Headers and footers. And more to your PDF document. Beyond editing, PDF Reader Pro also offers AI tools. Click on this icon, and PDF Reader Pro provides 5 AI tools. For example, click on AI Summarize. Choose the current file, and it will summarize the key points of the file for you. Or, you can input your content, and it will help you rewrite it with the AI Rewrite tool. Moreover, you can use the AI Translate feature. Here, you can select the language you want it to translate into. For example, Spanish. Input your content. Click Start, and you'll get the translation instantly. It's that simple. Start using PDF Reader Pro now to manage your PDF documents.